Hello students, we're going to learn section 2.3, Deductive Reasoning. Deductive reasoning is reasoning logically from given statements to a conclusion. So for example, doctors use deductive reasoning to diagnose a patient's illness. Lawyers use deductive reasoning to help their client with the case. Another vocabulary term, law of detachment. Law of detachment is just the process of deductive reasoning. Law of syllogism. Law of syllogism states if P then Q and Q then R are true statements, then P then R is a true statement. So what you have to pay attention to here is make sure they're true statements, and we could use the law of syllogism. If you notice, the conclusion here is Q and the hypothesis here is Q. Again, if they're true statements, what they're going to do is they're going to take the Q out. They're going to take the Q out, and now you have P then R, and that's the result. So again, if P then Q and Q then R are true statements, then we could assume that if P then R is a true statement. All right, one example. Use the law of syllogism to draw a conclusion. If a number ends in 0, then it is divisible by 10. That is a true statement. If a number is divisible by 10, then it is divisible by 5. So what I want you to notice is, consider this your P, consider this your Q. If P, then Q. Now, if a number is divisible by 10, well, this statement is the same as this statement. So this is now your Q, and this is now your R. So if your conclusion is the same as your hypothesis, then we could assume that if a number ends in 0, then it is divisible by 5. So again, this statement and this statement are the same. Then you could eliminate those two statements and just say if a number ends in 0, then it is divisible by 5. And that's what your answer is. So one more time. If P then Q and Q then R. If these are the same and they're true statements, then what you'll have is P then R. Thank you.